guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share a really nice and simple wall sconce. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. To get started, I'm cutting those beads to different sizes, and later on I'll be spray painting them rose gold, but feel free to paint them the color of your liking. As the beads are drying, I'll be using foam board and poster board to make my base. If you guys are new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects. I'll be using this leftover gift wrap to cover my poster board and also my cardboard. I'll be using double-sided tape to cover the foam board with the gift wrap. For this section, I cut styrofoam in half of a circle. I cover it with contact paper, and I will be using mini silver peaks and put all around it to make a nice design. For lighting, I'm using this push light that I got from the Dollar Tree. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and I'll be putting some rhinestone all around it just because it's a little too plain. bush light is very convenient with the sticky side of it, and it's really easy to twist it out to change the batteries. Rhinestone all around my wall sconce just because I felt it was too plain for my taste. All the beads are dry, I'll be using them to make a chandelier like for my wall sconce. And one trick is I was able to use the rhinestone because they have indentation, so the beads could sit right through that little section right there. This wall sconce turned out so beautiful. I'll be making some more soon, and if you got inspired to make your own, don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Bye.